and welcome to fix number 20. This is my birthday stitch fix. I'm very excited to share this one with you, simply because I was very specific in what I wanted for my birthday from them. And although they didn't deliver, it is actually a pretty good fix. So I'm pretty excited to share this one with you. And because it's my birthday month, I decided I would do some extras as well. So before you actually check, before I actually schedule your fix, or after you scheduled your fix, you're allowed to go and browse their extras section. And the extras section is usually just things like underwear, shapewear garments, but this time they actually had some pajamas in there, as well as some face masks for all of us who need to go out in public during COVID. So because I know that we'll be required to wear masks probably for at least another 6 months, I'm assuming, I wanted to go ahead and pick some up for myself. So I have a couple of birthday treats in here that are separate from the fix, and I will go over them at the in the beginning. Actually, I'll go ahead and just get that out of the way. So I'm changing it up a little bit this time. My daughter has introduced me to a editing program that'll allow me to narrate like this, and then over here where I create that white space, there will be me actually filmed showing off the items. So you'll be able to, I won't be talking through those, I'll be talking here, and then while I'm talking, there'll be the live video of me actually showing off the clothes. Okay, so this is fix number 20. It's very expensive because I added on all those extras, but if I hadn't added on the extras, it would actually be one of my less expensive ones, right around the $200 mark with the discount included. So I peeked. I love peeking. I know people love to wait and look. I'm just like, let me see it right away. Anyhow, so here's what the cards look like. So I received a total of 5 items, including a pair of sandals this month. I got Lauren back again this month. I said I'm fine with Christine or Lauren. And with the next fix that I scheduled, I once again said Lauren and Christine are fine. She basically said happy birthday. She said Christine wasn't available, which is fine. She said she was excited to style my birthday fix, and she's happy to see that I enjoyed the last fix, which was awesome. She wasn't able to find the exact jumpsuit that I had wanted to purchase from them, which was, I think it was like the Rika cropped knit jumpsuit in like a black floral. Oh my God, it was so beautiful. But that is actually okay. I mean, if they find it for me, fabulous. But if not, I went ahead and found a short jumpsuit from Stitchfix. It came up in one of my trending for yous, and it has black florals, and it's a very pretty little jumpsuit. And so I'll show you a picture of it right here. So it kind of reminds me of the Rika cropped knit jumpsuit. It's just a different style, like it's longer sleeves with shorts instead of strappy with longer legs. She did like this navy and white striped knit style, which is, she did send me a cropped jumpsuit, which is super cute. And I'll get into that in a moment. Super soft, and it's perfect out for dinner wearing tan sandals or wedges. And she sent me some tan sandals, obviously, to go with it. Olive distressed shorts came also. She says it's great for summer. And then she went ahead and added 2 tops, including the one I'm wearing, which is this Keyhole knit top with a beautiful medallion print, which, you know, I like medallion prints as well as florals. The off the shoulder knit top, it's not actually a knit top, it's a poly crepe, so it's stretchy, is interesting because it's kind of like a cold shoulder, but it's also, because it's more off the shoulder, it looks off the shoulder just with straps to hold it up. All right, so I will jump into it by starting with the extras. So the extras were 2 sets of pajamas and the masks, like I mentioned. So the masks came in this little package here. I haven't seen them available since I ordered them. They're the RD style 3-pack masks. These were $24. The purple one is going to go to one of my best friends. I think she'll like it. It's tie-dyed. I know she likes tie-dye purple stuff. She's not a huge purple fan, but she looks really good in it, and she has a lot of purple in her wardrobe. So I'm going to give her that one, but I will go ahead and keep the pink tie-dye and the gray tie-dye, marl, just for myself. And so this is what it looks like on the inside and the outside. And then the pink tie-dyed one is here. They're both very comfortable. They're easy to breathe in. I like them. They sit off my face a little bit. The ones that sit right flush on my face, I feel like are harder to wear. So I'm excited about these, and they will go into my I've got now multiple colors, so I have things that match my outfits, which if you're into like style and fashion, you care about things like that. So I probably will end up with 20 masks by the time this whole COVID thing is done. Okay, so let's move on. All right, next is the Seeing Stars short sleeve pajama set. This is green, size medium. This is $42. Okay, so this is this gorgeous little palm print, and it has buttons up and down at the front. It has a beautiful piping detail. Piping is a very pretty little detail to add to any of your designs if you are a sewer or if you are in fashion. It is nice shape, sizing wise, it fits me fine. The shorts are very short on me. They are very stretchy though, so it doesn't matter that they're a little short, and they're, you know, this would be more like loungewear for me as opposed to pajama wear. I actually prefer to have my legs completely covered or 3/4 covered when I am sleeping. I don't know why, it's just this thing I have. And so these are more like I would just put them on right before I get, right when I get home from school, I would throw these on and then take them off and wear my regular pajamas. So this is, the sizing was fine. Again, super short on me, but it looks fine. It has a very low rise. So if you need a higher rise, I do not recommend this one for you. So just keep that in mind. The quality is pretty good, I would say. And this is the less expensive of the two designs. This is $42. I splurged on the other pair of pajamas for myself because there is nothing better than going to bed in a nice feeling pair of pajamas. So this is the Seeing Stars short sleeve pajama set, green, size medium. The next one is the Cosabella Cami and Jogger set. This is pink, size medium. This is $78. So this is my splurge, and it is super cute. It is a super soft material. I mean, this is like, I'm pretty sure there's probably a modal in here. Beautiful print. It fits beautifully. And it has pockets. So I'm really excited by that. Let's see. This says it has 50% cotton and modal. So that modal makes it super soft. And like the Seeing Stars pajamas, it has the purple piping on a pink pajama set. I thought that would have been harder to say, but it's not. The bottoms actually have pockets, which is wonderful. These fit really well, and they're nice, perfect length for my longer legs. So if you are shorter, these will be a little bit long on you, but who cares? They're a pair of joggers, so it's okay if they're a little bit loose. Hi, Rex. My son just got home from swim practice. I was hoping to be done before he got home, but he's not. So anyway, so he just walked home, or scootered home from swim practice. All right, so that is the Cosabella Cami and Jogger set. Now we're going to go into the actual items that are from the fix. So I'm going to start with the less successful items, and then I'll move to the more successful items. I am keeping 5 for 5, but I've had to exchange 2 of them for sizing issues. Now, many of you who've been following me on Instagram or maybe here on YouTube probably have noticed that I've lost some weight, or I've mentioned it to you through the videos or whatever. I lost about 20 pounds, and it is starting to affect the fit of my tops, especially. My bottoms, as long as they have spandex in them, it doesn't matter if I'm 20 pounds heavier or 20 pounds less. I just tend to notice that they might fit a tiny bit tighter or a tiny bit looser, depending on what is going on with my body. So but the tops affects me really a lot because I'm very narrow, and I get even narrower. You would think that if things were all right with the world, that I could keep a little bit more up here and lose a little bit more on bottom. But in my world, if I lose on the bottom, I lose a tremendous amount up here, and I start to get kind of bony looking through here. So the first less successful item, but beautiful, and I loved it on me. When I bend over, you can see everything. So it really, with these two, it's more modesty versus like it doesn't look good in this bigger size. But I know they'll fit in the smaller size. So this first one is the KAILEIGH Valette Cold Shoulder Blouse. This is in red. It's a size medium and $38. So I love this print. I just think it's so pretty. And it looks so pretty on, and it's kind of like an orange red, which suits my complexion because I'm more of a spring versus a winter. And I love the idea of having an off the shoulder top that stays off the shoulder because it has the straps to hold it up. But when I tried it on, even though all the details are precious, when I bent over and I looked in the mirror, I could see straight down into the crevice that's created between the top and my bust line. And even if I was wearing an actual strapless bra, which I don't wear, you would still see the strapless bra. It has enough room through the flare and the hips that I know that sizing down to a small will absolutely fit me beautifully. So I'm going to go ahead and I've already received notice that the exchange has gone through, and I will be receiving this in a size small. And so I'm pretty excited about that. And so this medium will be going back. All right, next up is the next less successful item, which is the Market and Spruce Betty Knit Jumpsuit. This is a navy, size medium, and $74. Now, I love this. I think it's super cute on. I love the look of the strappy top and the more loose, flowy, cropped bottom. You know, I love jumpsuits. I think I wear them well, and I like having a jumpsuit that I don't have a look in my closet. Okay. Hi, this is Boris. Boris, say hi to everybody. Rex, if you're going to bring him over, you need to say hi too. All right, I'm going to put Boris down. Say bye, Boris. Bye, Boris. Yeah, he's like the most agreeable cat when it comes to like sitting. So like I can put him in this position. He's cool. I mean, I guess it's because he's a Siberian. My husband's allergic to cats, and so we bought him because Siberians are hypoallergenic, just in case you were wondering. So hey, hi, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. He's like, all right, I had my time to shine. All right, so the Betty Knit Jumpsuit, I don't have anything that even looks remotely like this, so this is kind of exciting. I like that they're giving me things that I would not normally have in my closet. So it's a very substantial, thick, nicely made jumpsuit. This is a beautiful garment. It has stretch. It has details that make it easier to fit. In fact, the way I made the medium fit on me so it was less revealing was by taking the slide bit here and making it shorter on me. And then there's a zip on the side as well. There's this really nice belt here that can be taken off if you prefer not to wear a belt. I like the fact that the pattern goes straight up and down in the legs. For those of us who carry our weight in our legs and our lower half, this streamlines you on the bottom half. And up top, it has the interest of crisscross. So it makes those of us with less up top look a little bit more like we have up top. So speaking of the less up top, my biggest issue was the top. It was hanging open to the point where if I bent over, you would see everything. And again, even if I was to wear something like a strapless bra, you would see straight down into it. And that is not what I'm looking for. So based upon the fact that it has these adjustable bits and the fact that it's a very stretchy knit jumpsuit, I decided I would go with a size small because it would fit me better through here. And if need be to lengthen it because I'm tall, I can go ahead and reduce the length on this, and then what happens is it just lays flatter, it lays tighter, and then through the bottom, because it's knit, it just stretches over my hips. Just stand up, Rex. They all know you're here.
I want you.
Children. All right, so this is going home to someone else. I will send it back to Stitchfix. The return, the exchange says it's being processed. I look forward to getting it soon and wearing it. I'm very, very excited. I think it'll also look super cute with like a cardigan or maybe like some sort of duster or kimono over top it. All right, so now to the more successful items. We will go ahead and go over these adorable pair of shorts. This is the Cosmic Blue Love. This is the Jodie Distressed Short, olive, size 10, $58. Again with again with Stitch Fix, they send out these high quality items. This is a beautifully made garment. The distressing is to the point where it doesn't like, it's not, I don't need the distressing where you see half of your thigh hanging out. that's not my style, but I do like a little bit of interest. So like I've worn them in and they're super cozy and comfortable. These fit nicely. They've got a shorter inseam of about 3 inches, but that's okay as long as they're a little bit looser. And the olive color is really pretty. I do, again, take issue with the fact that they couldn't take 3 seconds of time to tack this down. But because it's a shorter cuff, if it does flip down, I notice right away and can flip it back up. All right. And so I'm going to have to tack these bits down, but the side is tacked down, which is nice. So this was a successful piece. It looks really cute with the 2 garments she sent it with, including this top. And so I'm really excited about these and I'm happy to keep them. All right, next up is the Tom's Lexie leather braided sandal, tan, size 9.5. And these are $69.95. I like Tom's. I wasn't necessarily looking for a pair of sandals right now. I actually wrote down I wanted to pair the knit crop jumpsuit with a sexy pair of shoes. But these are great because I will wear them out. I promise you that. In fact, I really do appreciate the design of the flip-flop with the toe separation because I feel like my toes are more secure that way. The fact that they added this braided bit to secure the middle portion of my foot, and then these sandal straps, these are going to stay on and can be worn all day. All the Tom's items I've received from them, I received a pair of sneakers as well. I've worn and enjoyed. They've been very comfortable to wear. These fit me very well, so I'm super excited to enjoy them this summer. And they're tan, so they go with everything. All right. And by the way, I didn't do a separate video for these. They just, you know, they're in the videos if you look. They're on my feet. All right. Last but certainly not least is the PAPERMOON Elaria Keyhole Knit Top. And as you know, because I've now done 4 or 5 videos where I'm speaking the beauty of the keyhole knit top or the halter knit top where you show off your shoulders. This is like, obviously I'm into this. I'm digging it. I really, truly appreciate the fact that they keep sending these to me. I would like them to stop in September, please. So in July and August, I'll permit a couple more, but in September they need to stop. I don't need these in the fall and winter, but for now I'm loving them. I wear them every day. They're super comfortable. In fact, I'm gonna wear this today. We're going camping this weekend in Shenandoah National Park, and I'm gonna wear this for the drive to Shenandoah and for tonight, and then tomorrow I'll switch into a t-shirt so I can wear my backpack when we go hiking to a waterfall. But this is really comfortable and loose and free. It fits perfectly. This is a size medium and it fits me perfectly. And this is a knit, so even though I could size down in it, I'm not going to because I really like the way it looks in the size medium. So, but I think what I'm going to do, and for those of you who've lost weight and then in our Stitchfix people, do you go back into your style section and then tell them you need a different size, or can you just in the notes say, if you're going to send me any looser fitting tops or whatever, or looser, or the jumpsuit has a looser fitting top, I need a size small. I don't know how to approach this because I still really prefer to wear mediums and larges on bottom. The only reason I can exchange the jumpsuit is because I know the small will have enough stretch to work with my frame. So if you have any advice about that, I truly would appreciate it. So if you can leave a comment down below with my conundrum about sizing. All right, I've been upping these Stitchfix videos. I'm planning on doing other things besides Stitchfix, but I've been really enjoying it. This has been fun to do with my summer. You will be seeing less of this in the fall, I guarantee, when I go back to school. All right, well, I appreciate all of you coming around and visiting. I hope that you enjoyed my Stitchfix number 20. I am going to go ahead and ask if you've enjoyed this, if you'd subscribe down below. And if you have content, I'm happy to subscribe back. All right, we'll see you all for the next fix. Bye.
Please follow me on Instagram. Thank you.